Good morning, students. We studied three degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Adjectives, they have three degrees of comparison, and these three, they are positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. We have also studied that is in each degree we use different forms of adjectives. In positive degree, we use simple or an absolute form of adjective. In comparative degree, we use comparative form of the adjective. And in superlative degree, we use superlative form of the adjective. Now let's understand some of the examples of adjectives and their forms. In positive degree, we use positive form of the adjective. It means a simple form of the adjective we use, and absolute form of the adjective we use in positive degree. See these examples: fine, young, easy, beautiful, good, or well, bad. These are the adjectives and they are in simple form or absolute form. They are used in positive degree. In comparative degree, we use comparative form of the adjective in which we add r, er. Sometimes we remove y and add ier, and sometimes we place more before the adjective. See here, I have given some examples. Fine, it is simple form used in positive degree. Now in comparative degree, we have added only r, F-I-N-E-R, finer. Only we have added r. Second, young, younger, we have added er. So by adding r or er, we can make comparative form of the adjective. In some cases, if the adjective ends with y, we have to remove that y, and in place of y we have to add I and then er. For example, easy, easier. Y we have removed, and instead of y we have added I and then er. Busy, busier. Happy, happier. In such adjectives we remove y. After removing y, we add I and then er to make comparative form. In some adjectives, we make comparative form of the adjective by placing more before the adjective, such as beautiful, more beautiful. We have added only more and we have made its comparative form. Now some adjectives, their comparative form is totally different. We are not adding r, er or ier or more. Their forms are totally different. For example, good or well, its comparative form is better. Bad, worse. Now we talk about superlative degree. In superlative degree, we have studied that we have to add st or est to the adjective to make its superlative form, st or est. Even in some adjectives which ends with y, we remove y and we add I and then est. In some adjectives we place most before the adjective, and in some adjectives their superlative form are different. Such words, see, finest, we have added st. Second adjective, youngest, we have added est. Third, easiest, we have added est. After removing y, we have added I. In beautiful, we have placed most before the adjective, most beautiful. Best, it is the superlative form of good or bad. And worst, it is the superlative form of the adjective bad. So see, this is the different three forms of adjectives: positive, comparative and superlative. fine, finer, finest, young, younger, youngest, easy, easier, easiest, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, good, well, better, best, bad, worse, worst. Thank you, student.